Assalamu alaikum dear students. I'm Fiza Mohammad Rafiq and I welcome you all to online video lecture series brought to you by CM's Model Boys Higher Secondary School, Kopara. Well, as you know, we are left with some topics from the writing section. So today we shall be talking about dialogue writing. Dialogue writing. We'll see how a dialogue is formulated, how a dialogue is written in the examinations. What are the rules of writing a dialogue? But before that, we really need to know what a dialogue is. A dialogue is a conversation involving two or more than two people or more than two characters. A conversation involving two or more than two people or characters. So, a conversation involving two or more than two people or two characters is known as a dialogue. So, people may converse in different ways depending upon different kinds of situations they meet. People can meet in the field, people can meet at parties, people may meet while traveling. So, what happens in your examinations? A question that's asked there goes like say suppose two friends meet after five years, and you are supposed to formulate a dialogue. In that very section or in that very question paper, half of the entries are already filled. Say suppose a character saying something that's already written there, and you are supposed to write the response. Or if a response is written, you are supposed to write the first line. All right. So there are various kinds of rules about writing a dialogue. So we shall be understanding all those rules step by step. Step one. Step one is character assignment. Character assignment. We assign different characters. Characters here means names. Or for convenience, you can take it A, B, etc. All right. So here I will take first character, Nisar. Nisar is character one. All right. The second character is Abid. Done? In step one, we assign characters. So, in the second step, step two, what we do, we have to put a colon after each character. Use of colon. Use of colon. And what's a colon? It's a punctuation mark which is like this. Zoom in. Colon. So this colon is put after each character, which means this colon is used to introduce one's speech. Used to introduce a speech. You need not to enclose the actual speech in inverted commas like we do in case of this direct narration. All right? But what you have to do, after a character, you have to put this colon. Done? Step 3. A conversation includes some emotions, some actions, or some feelings. So how we show those actions or those feelings in a dialogue? If character assignment is, so those emotions and feelings or those actions are shown like, say suppose a character, then colon. A character is angry. You show it like angrily, then enclose it in brackets. So suppose the sentence goes, where were you? Character is angry. Say suppose Abid is angry and he says angrily, where are you? So that action, that emotion is shown in brackets. All right? Or this can also be italicized, like angrily, italicized. Next step is each dialogue. Step 4. Each dialogue should be started on a fresh line. What does that mean? If character 1 speaks, the dialogue goes from this position to this and is finished. You cannot start the second dialogue or the dialogue of character 2 from here. You have to start another dialogue on a fresh line. So spare a fresh line for each dialogue. These are actually the steps that you need to follow while writing a dialogue. Now, how to write it actually in the exams? First of all, you need to draw a rectangular shape like this. Done. After that, you need to assign characters or the characters that are already there in your question, or you can, for your convenience, assign characters of your own. Say suppose Nisar. Nisar. You did not pick my phone. To this, Abid says, I was busy with some important trans. I was busy with some important trans. So, tran actually means bank transfers or credit transfers. So, Nisar. To this, Nisar laughs. You can enclose this thing like laughing in brackets. Yeah, that's your daily routine. And Abid in the next line says, how is that? To this, Nisar responds, he is absolutely good. Alhamdulillah. So the conversation goes on and on. One more thing about writing a dialogue is, you should try to provide equal opportunities to each character. If this character says, can I carry your bag? The next one says, okay. The second dialogue goes, this bag is really heavy. It should not go, in the second dialogue of the second character, it should not go like no. So you should give, a single character should not show a complete dominance. That dialogue will be treated as a poor dialogue. So these were some of the rules of dialogue writing. Thank you for watching this video, and inshallah we will come up with more videos. Till then, stay blessed.